We've got lots of people here this morning, but the most important person is Mrs. Hart, who's the Minister for Enterprise in the Welsh Assembly Government. And she's come here this morning to introduce something really special. Now, I haven't seen this, so I'm going to introduce you to Will and Nell.
Hello! High five! Hello, Smile! Hello! I'm Will.
And I'm Mel.
And we are entrepreneur champions. And we are here to get each and every one of you to find the entrepreneur within you. Each and every one of you.
Well, over the last 4 years, the school have been involved in entrepreneurship, and they've been fairly successful. In fact, they've won over £7,000 in prize money in various competitions, which we've reinvested into printing material, mug printing, t-shirt printing, and the children in Year 6 usually take on the mantle in Year 6, and this year's group are producing a catalogue to sell to parents and grandparents and various people who'd like to have their wares.
To me, an entrepreneur is a person or a group of people that work together to create, to organise, and to sell an idea that can make a better future for them and for themselves.
Like many of you have already been doing. We've seen your fantastic website.
It's a brilliant website your school has got. I have to say, whoever's in charge of the website, big thumbs up.
Yeah, I've been invited along this morning as a representative from the focus group, and so I've been part of the process from the beginning, really. And it's really fantastic to see today all the ideas that we came up with from the very beginning come into practice in such a wonderful school.
We have a very special competition for you. Anyone in this school can enter. In fact, any primary school in the whole of Wales can enter.
Today the Welsh Assembly have launched an amazing project aimed at a national competition for entrepreneurship, all the way from age 5 to age 11. So they've had 4 characters being introduced to the kids.
4 enterprise troopers!
Each of the 4 characters representing 4 entrepreneurial skills, and the children have had a whale of a time enjoying.
Are you ready? Let's see if we can get this machine working. When I say a number, do you move? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Edwina Hart has also been in as well, talking to the kids about the importance of entrepreneurship and learning these skills.
Anybody can do anything in this life, and it's important to think what you can do with a little idea and how it can grow. Later today, I'm going to have lunch with someone who started off in the school in Pontlliw, in the Sandfields, and made their way up to be a multi-millionaire with their ideas. So just like you, started off in an ordinary little school, and he's now called Sir Christopher Evans, and he runs a massive global company. And that started from the fact that he was in a school in Pontlliw, went to Sandfields Comprehensive, and really had ideas and allowed them to develop. So one of you could be a multi-millionaire in the future. I don't want you to turn out nasty like Alan Sugar. I want you to be quite a nice person.
Helps the children in gaining confidence, their communication skills, they're speaking to people, they are cajoling people out of various products, and then of course they have to price things. If they price it too high, they're not going to sell it. If they price it too low, they're losing money. And all of a sudden they've realised they can't spend all that money on the goodies that they thought they could.
It's just what they learn best with. They like learning about making money. It's not the be-all and end-all to make the most money, but it encourages an interest in those children from the very start. Once you bring in the real-life elements, I think, and it's what learning should be all about. It isn't just about textbooks, it's about applying it to real life, and what better way of doing that than through entrepreneurial thinking.
So it's been a really good day all round.
We really look forward to hearing your entrepreneurial ideas, your ideas for making a business, making money. The Criw team here, they will help out in any way they can. So thank you very much. I've been Will.
And I've been Mel.
You take care. Thank you.